Omuni ama bebre to say one or two be na enko ye na ama omo popularity rate. But you see, NPP for good things no my no. Omo feel omo ko opposition and kofo behu.
Mama wakwaba wo frame Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Efia Pokia Vim Lady a journalist. Na ode ensem bi atodwa ede ensem na Efia Pokia eka. Ne sema okay na ne se eye His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo a oye Ghana ye man panin. Eniama pa a His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo be ye president. Waye ede ama oman Ghana a ye hu no. Sa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo efri akondwa no so anase 2024 yeto abewie na yedane akondwa no ema enipa orini na sa His Excellency ekofia Ghana fo eho na yebehu eniama pa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebeye president waye ede ama oman Ghana na ebusuafo mitie ensema Efia Pokia eka no eyemiareho esanso eyemede obi beka say ebi Efia Pokia eye politics anase oye bias dabi Efia Pokia eye bias onye politics Ghana fo say yebeka no kware a His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo waye bia ma oman Ghana Efia Pokia ne kase mu no o kire say of course enyema 1 or 2 bi wo hono ma NPP amayokue omo anye ne yie ama na Ghana fo ehu se eye NPP fo by omo anyade anase His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo we disappoint Ghanaians ene ye nyina ye ntimi embu ye nimbu so se nyema bi wo Ghana hanoma enkoyie but aside eniama enkoyie a Ghana fo e kan His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo why ade papa the thing is NPP amayoku a His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo edianim a oye Ghana ye man penino His Excellency ewo adwempa eniama pa ede ema oman Ghana meka ne say aman penifo ababesenko policies a His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ewo na dream ena hawa Ghana eho dadwen edana komaso se sa na man penifo abesen eko bebre na eye ya anka Ghana ye kwanim pa meka sa man penifo abesen ko no mo anye bia omo anya de of course eye oman penin dada je ekufo obeye na family oyade ye papa Ghana fo eboni dim bebre eye owura Atamels a wonya ne baabi ko obeye ade eye owura Rollins a ono so wonya ne baabi ko ono so beye ade oman penin dada John Dramani Mahama ono so obeye ade na His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo busuafo wayade akwanya His Excellency where you Ghana hanu no president bie ni ho a where you akwan esen His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo de bia meka akwan because me Ghana hanu ma akọ baby bebre titiripa and western region Ashanti region ma tena ho ma akọ Ashanti region impatem ni bebre central region ehọ na mefi minim central region na me sheda ehu akwanya His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo aye wo because mentai entra central region na emom western region akwanya enye wo Ghana hanu bebre Ashanti region akwanya enye His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo waye enya semketo akra me kotena Kumasi from Askwa bebia omomo no wono eko atonsu na ekwan na enye kra ekwan kese pa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo waye akwan His Excellency aye nya semketo akra one district one factory waye bi ena afin so eye agenda 111 a wokase obesi Nana Addo NC ya 100 wesi just say enyama NPP amayoko na ya Ghana for still omo His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo boniaye ne de nyame na ena wonim Ghana for so opema penda da John Dramani Mahama me adwa nkwa de kame anka NPP for kama munye campaign kra because NPP for you think say bia mu betimi win the 2024 elections no can say we will break the 8 people say easy it is never easy obi obeda NPP for say betimi break 8 in easy enye easy but mo ye mo afemi de Ghana politics de e betimi asesa anytime bia ba me de ka me kwanka munja amembo na femo mampenda da John Dramani Mahama na NDC fombra na Ghana fo ehu nyama pa His Excellency na Addo Akufo-Addo ebeye de ma oman Ghana even COVID-19 ba ye wiasa fa na ebre wiase ba bia ebre a Ghana fo so mo e kasa na ebeye anka munja NDC fo no mbebu amembo no na ye hwe ebusanfo yenti nsema efia pokua e de etudwa.
Don't think say I'm putting MPP under the bus. I'm throwing them under the bus and I be this. Look, MPP have done good job too. 3 SHS, fantastic job. Fantastic job. Oh, they for politics to change. 1D, 1F, and you need on my but fantastic job, fantastic policy, fantastic vision. You're a first education minister in one agenda or the other. Papa no me say this we need cry. You must employ Educhu, Dr. Educhu must your consultant because now say I'm here interview Saturdays or my podcast on study abroad opportunities near there. If you look at the number of friends saying professors ameni omo kasa ni de bia say de omo kire baby a job creations na ikona e cost them abrochire o ye baby a lot of skills are in kofodi nye adwuma STEM science mathematics engineering any idea AI any idea and this is what edu to me fantastic job it's MPP and woman say omo na ba kusi opposition there but look you can't dismiss the fact that abina ya there Omoniama bebre to say one or two be na enko ye na ma omo popularity ni rate but you see MPP for good things no my no omo feel omo co opposition and kofo behu free SHS that because if we continue consistently like this for 30 years imagine 90% of the population at least will know how to read and write yati akra o yakika say bebre batwe ukwa class ya bebre hono ma onim say me kamenye mi ko school a kame guy. But when to me and go school, why? Because of lack of access to education. Access to education, a fundamental human right. Being himself from before independence to after independence, and you'll be access to education. And you'll be which is why a free SHS policy, I think is one of the most fantastic projects. And woman say, I'm a Ghana near my baby, your management in Uncle ye. But as a policy, a solid. When people talk about double track, edu to maduma pa oni anaponomy or education, and that's what be a double track game. That project should be continued. 1D, 1F, or see a continual look. Improvement corny or factories are here. Your good factories in make a chess. This is the man good job because just 1-2 days in Kwana, Diania, your turn or whatever. See, you are repeating, and I've seen this happen too many times. In fact, in 2000, I think 2000 or maybe exactly, but I remember this Ashama constituency. I had thought now Ashama for NDC or parliamentary and will be in Ashama here. NDC stronghold. NDC, one of their major strongholds. Any a friend saying a friend saying any Ashama constituency. Now Ashama constituency NDC stronghold. Ashama constituency NDC stronghold. No more parliamentary candidate or Tiakonya. So no, I am popular, a friend of Honorable Aheto. NDC for one our grassroots so among penal. NDC for section chin among the on one ebeko. NDC for Eluzu Sassit. I think that was the first time MPP for to Minya Sassit, Ashama. MPP has only one Ashama. I think KKT once a pet. And if you fast forward to 2008, time and now, or he need to be general secretary for MPP now. MPP will lose most of the seats in Greater Accra region, especially, and even across Ghana. Some of the constituency they lost. They lost the seats because of imposition of candidates. Say the executives no more allegedly or impose candidates. More delegates no Jessica by collecting of money, you are imposing candidate. Now what is that candidate now? More 7,000, 5,000, general population.